The camera on the Mini is just a little bit better, has a better sensor, I believe, than this Xiaomi Femi X8, but where this thing shines, it has a whole lot more flight modes and it's bigger, larger and more stable in the wind now. There are a handful of other options in the 300-400 price range, things like the Up Air 2, and there are a whole bunch of Xeno drones, but both of those manufacturers I've just found, the quality control isn't quite up to par, so I would go, if you're looking for something in this price range, go with this, the Xiaomi Femi X8 All MJX Bugs 12 and 20. Right, number 7 on our list. Have two drones, they're kind of the same thing, the MJX Bugs 12 and Bugs 20, and they're both really good options for just under 200. They're kind of the same drone, but they have a different form factor. The 12 is foldable, whereas the 20 is not. A think of Mavic versus Phantom. There's even a Holyston version, but that one's going to be a little bit more expensive, so I recommend sticking with the MJX 12 or 20. Now, neither one of these have a real gimbal, it's electronic,